Hello, Isabel. We are going to present Canada. My name is Oyer. My name is Ulma. Currency. The basic unit of Canadian currency is the Canadian dollar. Capital city. Ottawa is the capital city of Canada. You should visit in Canada. Niagara Falls, Banff National Park and the Rocky Mountains, Toronto CN Tower, Old Quebec, Whistler, and Ottawa Parliament Hill. Language spoken. They speak English and French. Population. There are 33 million 997 hundred inhabitants live in Canada. Size. It's 9,984,17,000 square kilometers. Flag. The flag is red and white, and they are the maple leaf continent, which is located in America. Other features. They are Catholic Protestant. They produce motor vehicles and autocars, industrial machinery, handicraft, plastics, aluminium, petroleum, etc. Canada has twice been invaded by the USA, first in 17 and 75 and again in 18 and 12. Canada is home approximately 55,000 different species of insects. Famous Canadians: Pamela Anderson, Justin Bieber, and Jim Carrey.
Very handsome. Okay. Here we have
a traditional dish, the blueberries.
the blueberries from Canada. Would you like to taste them?
Thanks for the attention, and
We hope you liked it.
we liked it.
Very good.